Food trailer business, UK, bigger scale. Real costs, real profits, real risks. Let me ask you a serious question. Have you ever stood in line at a busy street food market, watched a food trailer pumping out orders non-stop, and thought, surely this has to be making serious money? No fancy restaurant, no high street rent, no massive staff, just a trailer, food, and a queue that never seems to end. But then the doubts creep in. Is it actually profitable? Is it legal in the UK? Is it just hype on social media? Or is this one of the smartest low-overhead food businesses you can build? In this video, I'm going to break down the food trailer business in the UK at a bigger scale, not a weekend hobby, not a tiny side hustle, but a real operation that can feed families, replace salaries, and grow into something serious. We'll talk real numbers, real costs, real mistakes, and who this business is absolutely not for. By the end of this video, you should be able to say one thing with confidence. I know exactly whether this is for me or not. Let's get into it. Why food trailers work in the UK. Food trailers work in the UK for one simple reason. Demand has exploded, but fixed locations are choking businesses. High street rents are brutal. Energy costs are high. Staff costs are rising. Business rates don't care if you're quiet or busy. A food trailer solves many of these problems. First, mobility. You are not married to one location. If a spot doesn't work, you move. Second, lower overheads. No full restaurant fit out, no permanent lease, no massive upfront commitment. Third, events culture. The UK loves festivals, markets, football matches, car boot sales, Christmas fairs, weddings, private parties, and corporate catering. Food trailers fit perfectly into this culture. And here's the big one. People are far more willing to spend money on convenience food than ever before. A £10 burger doesn't feel expensive when they didn't cook, they're out with friends. It's an experience. Food trailers sell convenience and experience, not just food. That's why they work, but only if you build them properly. Real startup costs. No guessing. Let's kill the fantasy right now. A bigger scale food trailer is not cheap, but it's far cheaper than a restaurant. Here's a realistic breakdown. Trailer cost. A decent used food trailer or converted horse box will cost, low end, £8,000 to £10,000. Solid professional setup, £12,000 to £18,000. Custom new trailer, £20,000, plus most smart operators start used. You are buying function, not Instagram likes. Equipment. This depends on your menu, but expect griddle or grill, £800 to £2,000. Fryers, £600 to £1,500. Fridge, freezer, £500 to £1,500. Extraction system, £1,000 to £3,000. Gas system and safety install, £500 to £1,200. Total equipment range, £4,000 to £8,000. Generator or power. Many locations do not provide power. Quiet generator, £1,000 to £2,500. Cheap generators will get you kicked out of events. Noise matters. Total realistic startup range. For a bigger scale food trailer, £15,000 to £25,000. If someone tells you less, they're skipping reality. Licenses, insurance, and compliance. This is where people mess up. You cannot wing this in the UK. Food business registration. You must register with your local council at least 28 days before trading. This is free, but mandatory. Food hygiene rating. Environmental health will inspect you. You need proper sinks, hot water hand wash basin, cleaning procedures, food safety knowledge, aim for a 4 or 5 rating. Level 2, food hygiene certificate required, cheap, non-negotiable. Insurance, you need public liability insurance, product liability insurance. Expect £150 to £300 per year. Gas safety and electrical safety, gas safe certification, electrical safety checks. If this is skipped, you're risking lives and lawsuits. Compliance isn't exciting, but it keeps you in business. Menu design, speed, but profit. Here's a brutal truth. Complex menus kill food trailers. Your goal is speed, consistency, and margin. The best food trailers. Sell 5 to 7 items, prep in advance. Assemble fast, example high profit categories: burgers, loaded fries, wraps, fried chicken, street tacos. Avoid too many options. Long cooking times. Custom orders, cold add-ons increase profit. Soft drinks, water. Simple desserts. If it takes more than 3 minutes per order, rethink it. Volume beats perfection. Location strategy, UK weather reality. UK weather is the silent killer. Public street trading, high upside. High-risk rain can wipe out a weekend. Private events, paid up front, weatherproof income. Smart operators mix both. Best locations, festivals. Corporate catering, construction sites, private parties, seasonal events. Never rely on just one location. Mobility is your advantage. Use it. How much you can realistically make? Let's talk money, honestly. Good event day. £800 to £1,500 turnover. Private booking. £500 to £1,200 flat fee. Margins after food costs. 60 to 70% monthly profit depends on how often you trade weather events booked. This is not passive income, but it is scalable. Common beginner mistakes. Big mistakes. Overspending on aesthetics, too big a menu, ignoring compliance, no pricing strategy, underestimating fatigue. This is physical work. Long hours, hot conditions, pressure. Know that before you start. Who this business is not for. This is not for you if you hate long days, you want guaranteed income, you dislike customer interaction, you don't handle stress well. This rewards resilience, not wishful thinking. If you're still here, that tells me something. You're not chasing fantasy, you're chasing clarity. Your next step is simple. Research local events, price your menu, run the numbers, and decide, honestly, if this fits your life. If you want the next level, the next video breaks down. From food trailers, multiple vans, full mobile businesses. The link is in the description. Don't guess. Build with intention.